Hello everybody, I am Stephanie with Charmed Southern Home, and I am here today for my segment of Craft Round the Clock. I have put the description or the link for the Craft Round the Clock up in the heading, so I hope you can go and follow that page. If you like to watch live crafting, there are a bunch of great crafters on there sharing some really great ideas. So I'm going to be redoing an ice skate that I bought from the dollar store today. So I've got all my goodies here in front of me. So in just a second, I'll be shared over into the Craft Round the Clock group, and then we will get going here. I'm going to go ahead and try to organize some of my stuff here. So, hello, say hi when you hop on. Let me know if